Okay, my lovelies, in this blender I have like maybe 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, and I think I use like a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. There's 4 eggs, Himalayan salt, pepper, and there's Swiss cheese and a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Okay, then I'm gonna blend this up until it's nice and fluffy. Okay, now I'm going to be using my little silicone egglets today. And what I put in here, some chopped spinach, some diced ham, and there's garlic and onions. And then I poured my mixture into these egglets. Okay, and now I'm going to put these in here in this water bath and let them boil for like, say, 10 minutes. Okay, my lovelies, my timer went off after 10 minutes. I'm just going to pull these out. I'm going to let it cool down for a minute, and I'll let you see what's next. Okay, my lovelies, what I failed to do was spray them, coat them with some avocado oil before I put the mixture in, but I squeezed it just a little bit just to loosen it up, and wow, ooh, that came out really nice. So here is my take on the Starbucks Sous Vide eggs. They're nice and fluffy. They're really, still hot right now. But at Starbucks, they're about $4 each. And when you make them yourself, you can either bake them, use a, what do you call that new pot? A lot of people using that pot. I forgot what that pot is called, but these are still nice and fluffy. Everybody has their different variations of their recipe, but what I used in here was the Swiss cheese, and I used some cream cheese. I used a little bit of coconut oil, so maybe that helped or loosen it a little bit out of that container. So I'm not going to put this in my mouth right now. It's really, really hot. I'm going to take a little piece, and let's try. Wow, that's delicious. Nice and fluffy. So like I said, at Starbucks, they're $4.75 each. When you make them yourself, you know what ingredients you're putting in there, and it's like going to cost you like maybe $1.27 each, $1.30 each. This is pasture-raised eggs, of course, organic spinach, and diced ham, onion, and garlic. This is a great way of doing your sous vide technique. I hope I'm saying the name right. If not, it's okay. But this is Bonnie from Keto Lifestyle 50 Plus. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. You guys have a great day. This is delicious. Bye-bye. Oh, happy Palm Sunday.